a.m. is 66. The record high for today is 98, which last occurred in 1902, and the record low is 45, which occurred in 1972. Sunrise today is at 6:09 a.m. and sunset is at 8:39 p.m. These are the 11 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time observations for the Charlotte metropolitan area on Wednesday, June 12th. At Charlotte Douglas International Airport, it was fair. The temperature was 79 degrees, the dew point 61, and the relative humidity 53%. The wind was variable at 3 miles an hour. The pressure was 30.06 inches and rising. At Gastonia, it was fair. The temperature was 78 degrees. At Monroe, it was fair. The temperature was... The signal and receiver's performance are conducted between 11 a.m. and noon each Wednesday. If you had been misled of severe weather, the test would have been postponed until the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in good working order. The warning alarm will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings. For station WXL 70, broadcasting near Charlotte on a frequency of 162.475 MHz, the warning alarm will be activated for the following counties in North Carolina: Alexander, Anson, Cabarrus, Catawba, Cleveland, Gaston, Argyle, Lincoln, Mecklenburg, Montgomery, Richmond, Bryan, Stanley, and Union. In South Carolina, Cherokee and York. This concludes the NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards on Alert test. These are the 11
You didn't activate.
Daylight Time observations for the Carolinas on Wednesday. These are the 11 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time